So let's start with those leg moves. First of all, during this squat variation, we will go as low as we can. We will touch the ground with our fingertips or try to touch it in the middle range, otherwise. And then you will come back pushing on your heels and feeling. The next exercise sequence is the standing cross crunch, meaning you will need to stand with your hands behind your head or by the side of your head. You will lift your leg trying to touch your knee on the opposite side. Now our next move is coming, and that is the side lunge. During the side lunge, we will use our body strength by stepping forward one side. That will be a large step, empowering ourselves to put our weight onto that leg that took the step. In the case of the side lunge, we are taking the step to the side rather than forward or backwards as on any other squat variation. The back should, at any time when you are practicing this move, should remain straight and the head should look forward. Last but not least, I am taking a runner's move. It's like the runner position when they are about to depart for competition. That, or either a reverse lunge combined with a front kick. If you wish to make a day workout of this video, you can add repetitions, making 14 repetitions per move, and also engaging yourself to making about 6 sets of the whole workout together. Thank you so much for passing by. Thank you for being you. All the love, always.